Hello everybody and welcome to this lesson. In this lesson we're going to learn how to create a new user group in Joomla as well as how to add a new user to that user group that we just created. To log into your Joomla administrator area, you want to go to the directory and the domain name that you have your Joomla installation within, /administrator, and you'll be taken to a splash screen that will show you to input your credentials. And our credentials are admin and our password is password. You may have set that up differently, but let's click login and we'll be taken to our dashboard. Now there are two ways to go to your user manager. The quickest way would be to user manager, but we're going to go to the group manager first. So we'll go to users and groups. And from here, you'll see a list of all the groups that you have available in your Joomla installation. And what we're going to do is we're actually going to create a new group. And to create a new group, you just want to click New. And you'll be taken to a new page to insert group details. So the group title, we're going to call this Premium. And the group parent, these are parents that are the parent of the site. For example, the parent of this group is going to be under registered because you have to be registered to be a premium. And we're just going to click save. And then once that's saved, we can go ahead and close it out. Okay, very good. So now we have a new group called Premium. Now, assume that we want to change the options to that particular group. Options is a great way to see permissions for particular user groups. And what you do is you click options, you want to click on the permission tab, and you will see the group that we just created, which was Premium. Now these are the individual abilities that the user can do. Now, generally you don't want them to be able to create content or delete or edit content, so we're just going to leave them as they are. And now what we're going to do is we're actually going to add a new user to the Premium user account. And to do that, what we're going to do is we're going to quickly click on the User tab here, or we can go to Users and we go to User Manager and Add New User. Now once we're here, we can go ahead and create a new user account. The name is going to be Demo Account, and the login name is going to be Demo. Password is going to be Demo. Confirm password, Demo. Email, let's make a dummy email, demo@spammenow.com. Alright, very good. And this is going to set to receive emails or to block the user, which we don't want to set that. Alright, so now what we want to do is we actually want to put this user within the Premium account. So we're going to leave registered selected, but we're also going to click Premium. That way the user is now within the assigned group of Premium. Now let's go ahead and click Save. And once that's done, we'll have a new user created in the account. Now it says that could not initiate mail function. This is just because I'm on a local machine and I do not have a mail server installed. So that's the reason why we see that. Okay, so let's go ahead and click Close. And then once we click Close, we're going to see a list of the users who we have installed. And we see that we have a new user called Demo Account with a username of Demo, and they now have a registered Premium account. Now we see our account that we had, which is the Premium account, the super user account that we created during our installation. I of course changed the name of the account, so if you click on the super users, which you should see, you can change the details to your name. That way it'll be more customized to you. And once that's done, just click Save and Close, and the changes will be made. Okay, very good. So what we learned was how to create a new user group. We learned a little bit about permissions and what a user can do. We really didn't change anything, but I showed you how to access that. and we created a new user account that is linked to the user group that we just created. Alright, in the next couple of lessons, I will be going more to how to create articles in Joomla. And after we cover the basics, we're then going to go starting to learn how to actually create components and modules in Joomla. That's something that you would actually need to know a little bit about PHP with. If you're not familiar with PHP, it's no problem. We'll also cover some PHP as well, and we'll kind of walk you through what some of the things does within that. All right, guys. Well, this is Jody. Once again, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, just leave them right down in the comments below. All right, guys. You have a great one, and thank you for watching.